So over here in my timeline, you can see that I have a video clip right here. So if I were to go around and press the play button right here, then you can see the video playing over here just like this. But the video portion that you see is not what all of it is. So I can go around and click and drag it out to get the rest of the video over here as well. But let's say what I want to do is I want to cut out this video right in the middle so that maybe I want to add in another video clip in between them. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can go around onto the left side and then take the slice tool. The shortcut key for this is C. If I were to click on this, then what I can do is I can go around and then click where my timeline cursor is, and it splits it right in the middle, as you can see. I don't need to actually make sure that my timeline cursor is where I want to cut. I can actually go around and keep the timeline cursor somewhere else and cut as well. Once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the video clips are split up into 3. What it actually done is it actually changed out the in and out point right here for that particular clip right here. If I were to click, then you can see the in and out point right here and the in and out point right here. If I were to, let's say, for example, cut this into a smaller piece right here, then what happens is that it changes the in and out point right here, as you can see. So it simply goes around and then creates another clip with another in and out point. It is not actually deleting out or splitting the clip clip in the file itself, but only changing the in and out point. That means if you want the rest of the video, you can still get it right here. So that's one of the ways of how you can go around and utilize the slice tool. And if you want to slice out, let's say, for example, without going into this tool, then you can go around and quickly right click right here as well, and then click on slice over here as well. So by doing that as well, you can go around and slice it out. You can also see a shortcut key over here for the slice tool, and that is Control-Shift-D. So if I were to go around and press Control-Shift-D right here, then it slices out as well. And that is how you can go around and utilize the slice tool inside of HitFilm to slice out clips that you have in your timeline. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.